This is what we're looking at today. Just bought this today. This is our new car hauler. We got some ramps. We got this, I guess this used to be some kind of race car setup. 2-inch ball. Got new boards in the middle, not on the outside. It's not terrible. 740 bucks. So I've got to run new lighting. I've got to try to find some new tires. It's not that big of a deal to find them. They're holding there and look pretty good and everything, but I'm gonna get some new ones. Maybe I'll do some kind of winch setup around here too. So I don't love that the ramps are right here, but 740 bucks, can't beat it. And obviously something needs a paint job. So lights, paint job, tire work, maybe some new wheels. I don't know, maybe not. And paint job, which I'll probably just go black on. So well, finally getting around to working on this a little bit. I got one of the old wheels off. I'm gonna put one of the new ones on. I guess I'll go ahead and pull this off and paint under there while I got it off, instead of trying to paint around it. Okay, so one area painted. Now I've got to take off the rest of these wheels and get it all painted up the same and get the new wheels put on. So one down, 3 to go. Alright, one thing I didn't do, get some dust caps. One thing I didn't do was paint these lug nuts. So I'm going to pull them back off real quick, paint them, give them a second dry, and then pop them back on. Well, nothing special there, but it does finish out the look instead of having the white lug nuts. Alright, well, that's one. Let's get the other 3 done. Alright. I think them new wheels look pretty good. Do get some new dust caps. But that's one side down. Time to go and do the other. We're gonna take this rack off the top. It used to be, looks like some kind of race car trailer or something that had tires up there. We don't need any of this for hauling cars, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this off on each side. What I'll do is come up with a way to kind of hold the side up so it doesn't fall on me while I'm cutting. There's my door strips for the El Camino, so I need to get them out of the way. And we're just using a cut-off wheel here, which I'm sure I'll have to grab another one. Right. Got it off. Now I'll grind it down. That one still didn't want to come off. So I'll get them all ground down. And, this part will be ready to paint. We still got to get a winch put on, which we're going to use this metal to build something right here for a battery and a winch. The winch will go through where the ramps are. So we'll go from there. Well, now it's time to wire this up. So this is a wiring kit, LED kit from Harbor Freight. So I'll take these 2 bolts and then put them right through these holes. Now if you didn't have holes, you would of course drill you some. These already had them on each fender. And then we'll run our wires. You got these little marker lights, which we'll install. Probably would have to drill some holes for that. Then we'll run our wire pretty much up through here and be ready to hook up to the truck. So let's get it started and see what it looks like. All right, so got all the lights ran, got the little tower took off. Here's the box we're gonna put on the front. The winch and the battery is gonna go in the box, and that way it just run out there. So got Ryan for 113 cycles here, sporting a Stuffwithcleatus shirt. He's gonna drill some holes here. We're gonna drill some holes if he gets tired or whatever. This is pretty thick stuff, but so after we get all this done, then we'll go and paint it. But we got our box, we got the trailer, we got the tires, we got the lights ran, they're working, and this is where we're gonna put the winch in. So we'll get going.
What's going on?
Alright, we got the bar put in for the winch brace, got all the holes drilled for the box, went ahead and painted all, got our chains welded on to hook to the vehicle, so looks pretty good there. We're about to put the box on and we'll be ready to go. Alright, got our chains on, got our wires done, box mounted, got this all painted up here, got our VIN plate put on. So we still got some more painting to do, but we got to put the battery in. We got our winch secured and a little hole cut there. Got our winch cable, I already free spooled it out. The lights are working. Got our plate on with the light there. Lights are working on this side too. So we're gonna get everything painted up and let's get the battery put in there for the winch and test her out. Okay, so obviously I'm gonna have to get something to hold this onto the winch better because they were way too big for that. We got everything hooked up. We got a controller. We got it free spooled out. Everything's with Nate. He's gonna help us. And let's go ahead and hit the end button. See how it does. Hold it tight. That's the wrong way?
Yeah.
So that's out. I was obviously pushing the in button. So let's try the out button. So the buttons are backwards. I don't think you can hook it up backwards. Nope, you can't. I didn't think so. So I guess the buttons are backwards. Good job, Harbor Freight. Alright, let's pull it on in. Just keep tension, you'll have to pull hard. Alright, well, it works. So let me get all this cleaned up, put up, and we're ready, almost ready to haul some cars. And there it is. I am out of paint, so I will have to get another can to finish the ramps, but this project is complete. We got the new tires, got our lights, got our winch, battery, the box, all that. Our ramps go here to store, and we're ready to do some towing. Well, it does haul okay. I don't know why I was thinking it'd be bigger, because it's just a little escape and we just don't have that much room. So after all this, I think I'm just gonna have to sell this thing. It's just not big enough, you know, for hauling cars. Not the big ones I like anyway. You know, the old stuff like that. So that's okay. All right, guys, trailer's pretty much done. I've got to paint these. We've got to go through and I'm going to stain this wood with used motor oil, and it works really good. If you haven't, if you don't know anything about that, check out 65Ford, his channel. He does a real good video on it. I'm not gonna do a video on it because he does a lot better of that. But it's got new tires, new lights, winch, box, got the whole thing taken off. I just need a bigger trailer. This one, it looks good and works good, but I need a bigger one. So I'm gonna sell it. I think I can probably make some money on it. I've got about right at $1,000 into it altogether. So I should be able to actually make some money on it because it's in good shape overall. And when I'm all the way done, it'll look a little bit better than this even, because I'm going to go ahead and put some reflective tape, DOT tape, on the sides and stuff as well. It should be in tomorrow or the next day. But we finish this up. We're going to move on to projects, guys. We got El Camino coming up. We got the 69C30. Got this Quadra steer truck coming up. Don't want to get too much into that until we actually get some stuff going on it. But we do have stuff coming up, guys. I do appreciate you. Make sure to subscribe, follow, all that stuff. We're real close to 1,000 subscribers. Need like 70 or 69 or something right now. Let's get out there and get it, guys. We're going to do some kind of giveaway to 1,000 subscribers. It's going to be awesome. Not sure exactly all what yet, but let's get it. Appreciate it.